Okay, next we've got Hina on the phone line with us. Hina Ghosh, who wants to buy something in Mumbai or Mumbai region. Hi Hina, go ahead. Thane, is that where you want to buy?
Yeah, I'm Anisha. Basically, my question was, I'm looking for 2 BHK apartment in the range of 80 lakhs in and around Thane or Navi Mumbai. And basically, my the end thing will be, I want to basically looking at an investment purpose where appreciation will also be high in next coming 2 to 3 years. So if you can suggest something in and around Thane or Navi Mumbai. I'm open to both.
All right. I think in and around Thane, we'll take that.
Yeah, what we have recommended are the 3 upcoming locations of Thane which are affordable in and around Thane, of course. Kalyan and Dombivli. Dombivli is little outside Thane. Kalyan is in Thane, one of the good markets, and there's Mira Road also, which is an upcoming location in North Mumbai. The demand of residential market in Kalyan is due to factors of good connectivity via roads and railways, available of social facilities like schools, colleges, and upcoming malls and retail outlets. Dombivli falls in the central line of Mumbai suburban railway network and is served by 3 stations, which is very good. Mira Road is an upcoming location in North Mumbai. Areas like Dahisar, Mira Road and Bhayandara are witnessing significant demand, mainly due to expensive housing prices in the western belt now. And with the development of the city in the north, it makes sense to take advantage of the currently lower entry prices in these regions. And we've covered these micro markets in a debate as well.
Absolutely.
Affordable locations of Mumbai. Kalyan West has 53 projects, Dombivli East is 22 projects, Mira Road 109 odd projects. If you look at the total supply, quite a bit, 8942 in Kalyan, 16964 Dombivli East, Mira Road 15102 units. Inventory overhang, Kalyan West 15 months, Dombivli East 28 months, Mira Road 23 months. Weighted average price in Kalyan West is 4080 rupees a square feet, Dombivli 450 rupees per square feet, and Mira Road 5693 rupees a square feet. If you look at the price appreciation trends, 43% has been in Kalyan West, Dombivli East has been 64%, and Mira Road has been 52%. Phenomenal appreciation because of the low base. Annualized return in Kalyan West is 17%, Dombivli East is 25%, and Mira Road is 20.66%. Recommendations from our side: Yogi Dham, Onyx, Ajmera, Kalyan West, 4950 rupees a square feet. 2013 is the completion year and availability from the developer. Casa Rio, Lodha Group, Dombivli East, 4500 rupees a square feet. 2013 is the completion year and available from the developer. Ritu Glorious by Ritu Infrastructure, Mira Road, 5 to 51 rupees a square feet. 2013 is the completion year and availability from the developer. These are the 3 projects that we would like to recommend.
So Navi Mumbai, Hina also said Navi Mumbai or in or around Thane. So is there, it has to be an investment decision, because if it was a end-use decision, you would always have some preferences depending on your area.
Today, Thane is more well developed, although there are a lot of supply coming up in Thane. If you look at the price appreciation trends, Thane has outscored Navi Mumbai, but Navi Mumbai is also a very good upcoming area. But at this point in time, with the budget and everything else in mind, we would recommend these areas more.
All right, so Thane, that's where we are sticking to, actually in and around Thane. So there's Thane, there's also Kalyan, and there's Mira Road, 3 areas. The projects that you can look at, these are all under 75 lakh rupees. There's Yogi Dham, Onyx Ajmera, pardon me. There's Casa Rio by Lodha Group, and there's Ritu Glorious by Ritu Infrastructure. Go green, that's a buzzword that's fast catching